welcome to another AI tool for Beatbox. Today, the name of the tool is Visily. It's a design tool. You can, I have to say that for now it's for free. So if you want to try it out, now it's the best time. In their website, this is the website, but this is already my account. In their website, they say that they're gonna have a paid plan for now in the future, but they're still gonna have a free plan, I think. But you can try it. If you are like me and design and wireframes are not your strength, I think this is the perfect app for you. It creates wireframes. It's really, or in my opinion, heavily based on on Figma. So this is a project I can open in a new tab. This was a project that I created, and you can create more boards. So let's create here a new board. I show you after the other board. It's opening, and I'm only gonna show you parts of everything that we can do here because there are so many things that you can do. So let's add. You can choose a template, or you can add the empty screen, and you can choose for mobile, tablet, or desktop even. Let's go for a template, for example, and here you have plenty templates. You have for web and you have for mobile, and let's say, for example, that you want to make a landing page. I don't know if they have more. If you write landing page, so this is what they have when you search landing page. When you don't search nothing, there was, yeah, okay. So they have this. So let's say that you want to, or this one, for example, this, let's start this one, add selected templates. And you have already like a wireframe if you want. Just here you can zoom in and zoom out, and here you can move because you can add more, like you can make a prototype. You also can inspect the element. That is actually really good. I haven't tried. Select an element to view. Yeah, I have to press here, sorry. Yeah, and then it gives you right away how it is the element, the CSS. It said the font. So you can make a lot of things. Here you can, let's zoom in a little bit where you see. Imagine that you like this template and you just want to adapt for a customer or for yourself. This is the logo. Let's go. You press the logo and you take the CSS inspection. Design. Yeah, you have to go to design here, and then you can change the logo. Let's replace. I have this one that I put. You can upload and you can use it unsplash apparently. But let's put mine. You can here change the background, for example, to black. You can change everything that you want. I can show you a project that I have after. Here you can download for PDF, for example, the project, and then here, like this was the one that I had. I'm gonna show you. Wait just a little bit more while it's open. So I tell you what is this after. Let's just go and reduce a little bit. Yeah, okay. So here you have, for example, basically a full website. You have the registration, the dashboard, calendar, dashboard again, for mobile and for desktop. And then you can easily see every element if you want to change it. This is good to present to customers. I'm gonna try now to every AI tool to give you use cases that you can use. This one it's pretty standard. One thing that you can do, you can convert from screenshot and also from Sketch that is better. I haven't tried this one, but they have a video where they show that. From screenshot, basically you can drop a screenshot of a website that you like. This was one that I did, that's why it shows up there. But let's go to different, let's go for example to Stripe website. Okay, and let's say that you like this one and you want to make a website kind of like this one. Let's just gonna save the screenshot to use, add the name. Okay, and where I was here. Okay, drop screenshot, let's pick it up, this one, open, and now they are analyzing. While they are analyzing, we can search more things. So the library, they not only they have elements, of course, that you can adapt this this page, for example, and you can change other elements. Let's say that you want to put a menu here, and there it is, there's a menu. You can change then everything about the menu, and this is the state. The state, I actually don't know how it is, or if it's overlay indicate. Okay, yeah, it's the way that you want the state when the page goes. Like I said, they have templates. Also, not before I show you the templates of the pages, these are templates of the places. So you can put it here, for example. And these are some just quizzes, but tips. And just show you, here you have the Stripe framework, basically, that if you want to make this in your website, here you can see and have a better outlook, how you can see the website, or this page at least, and then you can easily export to PDF or to other or to PNG or for a picture. Like I said, this was a pretty fast review of this website. I'm gonna put you the link, of course, in the comments of the channel, but you should see it. It's for free. It saves you a lot of time, especially when it's perfect for agencies or for solopreneurs that have a company that is doing websites, for example. It's really easy to create wireframes with AI with this app. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye.